Well, I live in South India and I'm a South Indian film actor. But this is an issue which is happening in the entire country. Right now, Mr. Saif Ali Khan is attacked and it's all over the news, it's all over the headlines. But let me remind you, in every metro city, in every village, incidents like this keep happening in every single area. If you're from Lokhandwala, every day there's something happening in the east, every day there's something happening in the west, something is happening in Bandra. But the difference is it doesn't get covered to this level because they are not celebrities who are facing this kind of a harassment or this kind of assassination every day. But our country is full of these crimes. I really look up to countries like Dubai, for example. There's zero crime rate over there. The very ground root, the root issue over here is, the root ground issue is that people have the guts to do these acts. The entire law and order system of the country needs to be blamed because it's a very, like, what happens if you injure somebody? There's a case which is registered and you're let out on bail. There's no immediate action taken. Therefore, you have the guts to conduct a crime again and again and again. And it's happening in the entire country. So what is which is really going to put a full stop to this is changing the system. Now, suppose you catch hold of the accused and you really know he's the accused with the forensic and everything in a week's time.
Right.
If he's proven that he's the accused, within 1 month he should be crucified for something so heinous that he has done. You cannot let him go out on bail and then talk about it after 25 years, that will he be convicted or will he be evicted. So the entire system has to be corrected. Until and unless that doesn't happen, our country will not be a safe place. So with Saif Ali Khan, he has 10 different security departments which have been deployed only for this work because it's the reputation of the police department. But what happens to this very reputation when a small girl is raped, who's an unknown person? What happens to this police department when so many people are assassinated on the road? There's no action which is taken. Chalo chale jao, bahut case hain aaj.
You've made several very relevant points. You've made very relevant points there, Sanjana.